In this video, I'll show you how to change the email address in Arknights Endfield. So let's say, for instance, you linked an email address and you'd like to change it to another email address. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is press the options button on your controller and then select settings. Now within the settings, navigate to the platform and account section and then scroll down, or rather scroll down and select the account center. And then give it a few seconds. Now within the account center, simply scroll down and you should see the option change email. So choose that. And then now you have to verify that particular current email address. So all you have to do is select get verification code. And then there's a verification code will be sent to that particular email address. So simply type in the verification code that you received. So once you type in the verification code, simply select OK. And then the next step, you'll have to type in another email address, the new email address that you'd like to use. So type in the email address that you'd like to use and then select get code, and then a code will be sent to that particular email address. Now once you've typed in the email address, or rather the verification code that you received on the email address, simply select OK. And now you'll successfully have changed that particular email address. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.